Friends, imagine being able to create full advertising visuals without jumping between endless templates, layers, and confusing tools. Endless dragging, dropping, and tweaking in Canva is slow and inefficient, and browsing template libraries often leads to nothing quite right. What if you could skip all that and generate campaign-level creatives with just one command and even start for free? I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're taking a close look at CapCut AI Design, the easiest design tool for sellers. It's an AI-powered design agent built for sellers, creators, and marketers who want results, not complexity. Instead of manually pushing pixels, this tool lets you design by simply talking to the AI. Guys, in this video we'll build more than 3 real cases step by step using real product photos, prompts, and outputs. We'll compare the old template mindset with a new approach, from searching and editing templates to generating designs with one command. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so click my link to unlock limited free access. Alright folks, let's jump right in. Let's start from the very beginning, folks. I open my browser and type CapCut AI Design into Google. In the search results, I click the official CapCut website and make sure I'm entering the web version. After logging into my account, I land on the main CapCut dashboard. From there, I simply select AI Design from the available AI tools, and the workspace opens directly in my browser. No downloads or extra setup required. CapCut AI Design positions itself as your all-in-one design agent, where instead of manually adjusting layouts, layers, and elements, you communicate your intent through natural language and let the AI handle the heavy lifting. We'll build a full visual package for a coffee brand using one product photo and simple prompts. Along the way, we'll test poster generation, conversational editing, and smart resizing. Inside AI Design, I select the latest model, Seedream 5.0, to get the highest generation quality. No complex settings and no endless tweaking. The Canva era is over. Let's get started. Sometimes we don't have a specific idea and we're just looking for inspiration. CapCut includes an inspiration section filled with professional designs that we can use as a foundation. Instead of starting from zero, we build on visuals that already work. Let's take this donut poster as an example, guys. I like the clean visual style, the typography, and the overall composition. But we're selling coffee, not pastries. That's not a problem at all. I use replace character and swap the donut character for a coffee product, while keeping the original official style, composition, and background. I upload everything and send it for generation, and the system instantly adapts the image. The coffee looks like it naturally belongs in the scene. To add more control, I open the editing function directly inside the template. However, the headline still says breakfast, which doesn't really match our brand positioning. Mates, instead of manually recreating the font, I return to the AI panel and confirm that Seedream 5.0 is selected. I ask it to replace the text breakfast with peak brews. The system recognizes that this is the headline text, removes it, and rewrites it using the same font, color, and alignment, even preserving the letter spacing. In about 30 seconds, we've transformed an existing idea into a unique branded poster. Now guys, even though conversational editing is extremely powerful, we also have a full editor available. This is where the Edit Elements function becomes truly powerful. When I click it, the system generates separate layers for every element in the poster. It's no longer a flat image, it's a fully editable template. If I don't like a piece of text, I can freely edit or replace it. If the coffee pack placement feels off, I can resize it, move it, and fit it more harmoniously into the composition. I remove the elements I don't like, update all the text, and every layer remains movable and independent. CapCut also includes built-in AI tools like background removal, in Paint, expand, remove, and upscale. These built-in AI tools let us refine details directly inside one workspace, without switching between different programs. Now mates, if we need a version of this poster for Instagram stories, instead of manually resizing and fixing layouts, I simply continue the conversation and type a request to resize the image for Instagram stories. The AI instantly recognizes the 9:16 format and generates a new version automatically. Each result is saved as a separate page, so nothing gets overwritten or lost in the process. Here's the adapted stories version. Everything is already aligned correctly, without artificial adjustments. There's also a large asset library designed for different marketing scenarios, which makes CapCut especially useful for marketers who need both speed and flexibility. In just a few minutes, we've gone from a simple product photo to a complete advertising solution, all inside one browser window, without complex software or external tools, powered by the latest Dream 5.0 model. If you want to try CapCut AI Design yourself, click my link to unlock limited free access. Thanks! Now, friends, let's switch products to show that this workflow works just as well for other businesses. This time, we'll use an energy drink can called Dindan. Metal surfaces are notoriously difficult to photograph, but marketplaces like Amazon require a perfectly clean white background. I upload the can and type a specific prompt asking for a professional main image with a soft shadow underneath. The AI doesn't simply cut the object out. It recalculates the lighting so the can looks three-dimensional, while the background stays perfectly white. In just a few seconds, we get a ready-to-use listing image. Now, mates, we need social content, because a static can alone isn't enough. I asked the AI to generate a woman's hand holding the product, with dynamic lighting to emphasize energy and motion. The result looks natural. The fingers are positioned correctly, the skin has texture, and the can reflects light realistically. This already feels like a lifestyle photo taken on a high-end smartphone. Also, folks, energy drinks are popular with gamers. So next, I place the product into a cyberpunk environment using blue neon lighting that matches the can's design. Notice how the metallic surface reflects the environment naturally. This doesn't look like a flat overlay. The AI understands how light interacts with shape and material, which is why the image feels believable. Finally, folks, we test freshness. In beverage advertising, showing cold, condensation, and ice is one of the hardest challenges. As you can see, with one prompt and bright summer lighting, the AI adds realistic water droplets and ice, instantly making the drink look cold and refreshing. From one image, we've created 4 completely different campaigns: a catalog image, a lifestyle shot, a gaming visual, and a freshness promotion. And guys, this is exactly why CapCut AI Design feels like a true design revolution. Alright folks, that's a wrap. What I can say, CapCut AI Design is truly the easiest design tool for sellers and creators. It lets you generate posters with one command, replicate any reference style, edit designs through conversation, and create multiple sizes for every platform without extra apps. You don't need design skills, expensive software, or a powerful computer. You just need a product image and an idea. For marketers and small businesses, this means faster campaigns, more creative options, and less time wasted on templates. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. And now click my link to unlock limited free access. Thanks for watching, until next time.